Join me as I dive deep into Neville Goddard's most powerful lecture from 1968 and try to apply his teachings to manifest something incredible in my life. Neville Goddard is a legendary figure in the self-help and manifestation community, and his teachings have inspired countless individuals to tap into the infinite potential of their minds. In this video, we're going to explore one of his most impactful lectures from 1968, where he shares profound insights that can transform your life. We've all been there, trying to manifest our desires but struggling to make progress. It's like hitting a brick wall over and over again. We think we're doing everything right, but somehow our desires remain elusive. One of the main reasons for this is that we're stuck in traditional thinking. We're conditioned to believe that our reality is shaped by our external circumstances rather than our internal thoughts and emotions. This limited thinking holds us back from tapping into our true potential. We get caught up in the how of manifestation, trying to figure out the perfect strategy or technique, rather than focusing on the what, the actual desire itself. This mindset shift is crucial because it allows us to let go of our need for control and trust in the universe's plan. Another major obstacle is our tendency to focus on what's lacking rather than what we already have. We get caught up in the negative emotions of fear, doubt, and anxiety, which repel our desires rather than attract them. This is why Neville Goddard's teachings are so powerful. They offer a radically different approach to manifestation, one that's based on the power of imagination and the importance of belief. In this 1968 lecture, Neville Goddard shares some of his most profound insights on how to tap into the power of our imagination. He emphasizes the importance of vividly imagining our desires as if they've already occurred, rather than just visualizing them as a distant possibility. This subtle shift in mindset can make all the difference in manifesting our desires. Goddard also stresses the importance of assumption, assuming that our desires have already been fulfilled rather than hoping or wishing for them to happen. This assumption is what gives our desires the emotional charge they need to manifest in our reality. By assuming our desires are already a part of our reality, we can bypass the limitations of our rational minds and tap into the infinite potential of our subconscious. One of the most compelling insights from this lecture is the concept of revision. Goddard explains that revision is the process of revising our past experiences and rewriting our memories to align with our current desires. This is a game changer because it allows us to let go of past traumas and limitations and instead create a new reality that's aligned with our highest potential. The most powerful moment in this lecture is when Goddard shares his concept of assumptive syllogism. He explains that by assuming our desires are already true, we can create a new reality that's based on those desires. This is a fundamentally different approach to manifestation, one that requires us to let go of our need for control and trust in the universe's plan. So, what are the key takeaways from this powerful lecture? Firstly, we need to tap into the power of our imagination and vividly imagine our desires as if they've already occurred. Secondly, we need to assume that our desires are already true and revise our past experiences to align with our current desires. And finally, we need to let go of our need for control and trust in the universe's plan. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. What was your favorite point from this lecture, and how do you plan to apply Neville Goddard's teachings to manifest something incredible in your life? If you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on manifestation techniques and personal transformation. And if you want to learn more about Neville Goddard's teachings, be sure to check out my next video on his most powerful manifestation techniques.